Welcome to the treasure of nature. Breathe in the fresh air on your morning walk. Listen to the birds chirping and soak in the tranquility of nature. Discover natural remedies for everyday ailments. Connect with nature and learn from its wisdom. Immerse yourself in the ambience and celebrate our heritage. Choose from a variety of plant saplings to enhance your surroundings. Indulge in traditional cuisines from Bengaluru. Join us for a morning nature walk, an initiative by the Pilikula Development Authority and Manasa Water Park.